So we're in the middle of a hailstorm. 9:50, April 12th, 2016. Sounds horrible. See if we can't see outside or something. This is crazy. Can't really see anything. You can hear it though. Incredible. She has your phone, honey.
Oh yeah. Chloe, give me my phone. Chloe, give me my phone. Stop.
Sounds like the worst is over.
I hope everything is okay in our house.
Yeah, that's ice.
Ice?
That's called hail.
Oh no, my flowers! My flowers! My flowers!
What's wrong? What happened? What's happened? What happened?
Your flowers!
It's okay, baby. Much. No, much better. We're safe, okay? It's a hailstorm. No, don't worry about the flowers. It's gonna grow. It's gonna grow again, okay? Don't worry about that.
We need some water.
Yeah. All my plants are dead because of the...
Oh no.
Oh my goodness.
Oh no.
Look at all the ice, baby.
Oh, you hold the Cassandra.
Uh-oh.
Hold on,
Uh-oh.
Take a picture.
Uh-oh. Look.
I'll take it.
Chloe.
That's the ice.
Oh,
Yeah,
no, I will take.
I'm videoing.
Wanna play the ice? No, thank